Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Rocky from RockSide RC hitting you guys with another video today. Today we're gonna do something really different today. All right, so hold on to your seats, put your seat belts on, whatever it is, but we definitely got something new for you today. Check it out. We got something from Kyosho. We're gonna go surfing today. All right, so this is something that I've had for a while, and just haven't had the chance to, of course, get to it. This is the Kyosho Catch Surf. It is getting nicer out now over here in New York, so I figure we'll break it out, do an unboxing, and I'll share it with you guys. You know, Catch Surf, RC Surfer. Very cool. So I seen this in the hobby store a few years back, actually, and it's been sitting in storage for a while. But the model is being sold for $240, $250, depending on your hobby store. I believe they do sell these on a Main Hobbies also, so you can definitely check those guys out on a Main Hobbies if you are interested in these. That's basically it. Let's do an unboxing. All right, let's get to it. These two tabs here. Nice. And just to give you a little information on this RC Surfer, pardon me. I know I'm getting a little antsy myself. I'm ready to open up the box, but this is a 5th scale surfer and board. It looks like it does come with a remote. It also comes with a battery charger and everything else, which is very convenient. You know, it is ready, set, ready to run. So give you a pre-colored surfboard installed with the RC system, complete with linkages, complete pre-painted surfer figure, KT-231 P's and Peter, plus 2.4 gigahertz 2-channel pistol grip type transmitter, 7.2 volt 2200 milliamp NIM battery, and they give you a USB charger. So, all right. I mean, it's very convenient. It's kind of just a start off, which is very good. That's cool. We'll put this battery on charge. It may be done tomorrow, but we'll get this thing going. So, all right, let's open it up and see what we have here. This might be the surfboard. Not sure. We'll see what that is. All right, let's see what's in the box. All right, nice. Okay. Here's the 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. It's pretty similar to what I've had in the past with the other Kyosho models. Like their phasers and stuff like that. Honestly, not a bad remote. Definitely feels very comfortable in the hand. And they make it pretty convenient with all the trims up top here. So, very cool, very cool. Right, and this is our NIM battery. All right, and they do give you, it looks like a Dean's plug, Dean's connection. So that's what we're using on the surfer. All right, nice. Okay, looks like they give you a bind plug. Looks like an extra antenna tube, and looks like some extra gaskets and a servo horn. So those are the other contents that are inside the box. All right. And here is our USB charger that also comes in the box. Okay. Nice. Oh, wow. Looks like they give you a tool or some tools and a stand, it looks like. Looks like a stand. So I can put the surfboard guy on a stand, which is cool. I definitely will be putting him on a stand when he's not occupied. All right, so that's all good to go. All right, let's check the next box. See what we have here. All right. Is this the Catch Surf guy? It is the Catch Surf guy. Nice. All right. Nice. He is ready to catch surf, even without the board. Look at that, right? He's ready for action. All right. Let's see what we have here. Look, no hands. No hands. And he's already ready for action. Right? Nice. All right. They do give you instructions, which is always very important when you get a new vehicle. Just check those out. I definitely will be. All right. Oh, wow. Okay. This board is pretty huge, it looks like. All right. Let me see. I'll cut the straps now. Okay. Just to make it convenient. Wow. Wow. This is very cool. Very, very cool. Wow. Ah. Part of the fin. Oh. Okay. Guess we're gonna find out, right? Very cool. I'm assuming we cannot take that off yet. Alright. Aha. Aha. Okay. Alright, so that's how the surfer guy fits on there. Alright, let's open this up. Let's see what we have here. What it looks like, so he has slots on the bottom of his feet, just to show you guys what I was trying to do here. So it looks like these tabs on the board lock his feet down onto the board basically. So we're gonna have to get this little hatch off with the 4 screws here. Looks like 4 Phillips head screws. We'll take that off. Basically see what kind of mechanism is underneath here so we can lock down the actual surfer so we're not losing him in the water, right? So we'll tackle that. We'll see exactly what's entailed with that. They do give you a Phillips head screwdriver, which is cool, right? They provide us with that. Not bad, very convenient. So what they want you to do is basically you're gonna have to loop these through his feet because there's like a little locking mechanism or a tube that runs across through his feet that will lock his feet down to the actual surfboard, which which these little black pieces are for. So you lock the rubber bands down onto this, which locks the surfer guy down, and that's it, you're good to go. So let's get that done. And get him on the board so we can get him surfing. All right, let's see how easy this is. That's probably why they give you that little thing over here. Yep. All right, let's see what we got. So this tool is very convenient to have and to basically make sure you take it out of the bag, because you definitely will need this, again, to apply the surfer guide to the board. So, all right, back in action now. All right, so our surfer guide is installed. Okay. Just to give you guys a closer look of the electronics and all of the goodies inside, the motor, the ESC, give you a quick look of everything. Okay. Show you the propeller. They have that ran. All right, we're good to go. All right, let's put this bad boy back together. And we will definitely take this out. Make sure each screw for the top part of the board has those rubber gaskets. So of course, make a watertight seal. And you're good to go. Hopefully everybody is enjoying their RCs and their day today. This thing is so cool. I took this thing out today and I couldn't stop playing with it. It literally it was so fun. Hitting the waves, you know, just playing around in the water, basically catching some waves, trying to catch some waves. You know, I've always been inspired to do some surfing myself. I love California. I can't wait to move. All right, so you'll see me on the west side one day. But for now, we're enjoying this RC surf in New York. I took it down to Cedar Beach we had a good time. I did run it on LiPo. I had it on 3S. I really didn't want to run it on 3S, but honestly, on 3S, I literally just had to feather the throttle. You know, I never even hit quarter throttle on this thing, and you'll watch the video, you'll see it's literally, it did excellent. I mean, honestly, I would prefer 2S. I only had 3S batteries that could actually fit in this, on this particular vehicle. So, it did very well. Did very well. Can't wait to get it back out again. Kyosho did a great job. 2 thumbs up, actually. They did an excellent job. You know, I had people coming up to me and asking me, why is it not sinking? you know, all kind of questions basically. You know, but very cool. Definitely smashed it out the park. I can't wait to get this thing out again and hit the beach. It was so fun. I was actually telling the wife she should give it a try because this thing is so cool. It really is. Figured I'd hit you guys with my final thoughts. If you guys don't have this, I believe it's honestly pretty inexpensive. I think $250 or less. So, you know, it's not gonna break the bank account, you know. It's fun, you know, it's definitely fun. You know, you can take it out with your kids, take it out with yourself, you know, the wife, whatever it is, but, you know, maybe a few friends. You know, you get your friends out there, you know, you get a few of them and, you know, you guys all start surfing. Or ladies or gentlemen, pardon me, of course. But, you know, you can all go out there surfing and have a good time. This thing is definitely very cool. Very cool. Just want to thank everybody for watching, viewing, and subscribing again. We really appreciate it. And I just want to say, I hope everybody is enjoying their RCs. You know, hopefully you guys have a good day. And don't forget to enjoy your family also. And it's your boy Rocky from RockSide RC. You know, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good day.